Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World, and we got an awesome watch face to check out at SzaZs. We got 3 for you all to have a look at, and they're all free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now for certain, I do know that this watch face is going to be free to the end of the month, but I would not wait to the end of the month to download this awesome watch face. And with that being said, let's kick off this review. All right, you all, let's go ahead and let's kick off this review. Now, number 1 is off the chain. I love this one. This is one of my favorite watch faces by SzaZs thus far because it's a super casual dress down and or dress up watch face depending on how you blend this in with the outfit that you're going to be wearing for the day. Now, the name of the watch face is called Active Analog. I like the fun looking hands. I do like the second hand, which is blending a floating second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. It's going to look really nice in the AOD mode. It's going to be dimmed down. It's going to have a greenish teal type of look to it. Now, once the watch face is on, I like the look. I love the overall design. Everything is legible. The mesh background really pulls the watch face together. I love the fun looking analog hands along with the second hand that adds a floating second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Very creative. You're going to get your date information here, battery info there, step status down at the bottom, heart rate information. Now, this meter here is going to represent your battery. This is going to represent your step goal completed. I haven't been anywhere, but as I start to move around, it's going to start to show how much of my step goal I have completed thus far. Now, you can customize the color theme of the watch face. You get many different colors to choose from to tie into whatever outfit you may have on for the day. Now, this is a definite download. Remember, it's free to the end of the month. Again, I would not wait. I would download ASAP. With that being said, let's go ahead. Let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2 is called Pyro. Pyro is nice. It's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. It's going to look nice in the AOD mode minus your step status info. But once it's on, you got nice animation going on with this watch face. Big bold digital time with some fun looking analog hands. And you do get a nice ticking second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Now, up at the top, you are going to get your step status info like floors climbed, miles walked around. You're going to get your battery info. Down up under the time, you will be able to get your step info, heart rate, calories burned, and you're also going to get your date and your month. Also, you get the day of the week at the top with the AM stamp and the PM once it's PM, right? Now, if you want to dim this down, just single tap. You can dim this down just a little bit more. Tap it again. You can turn it right back on. And the watch face is inactive, so if you tap on any of the information that's in this watch face, it will take you to that particular application, which I thought was pretty nice, right? It makes it useful, especially if you're on your run. So this watch face is definitely worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store, but hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And with that being said, let's check out watch face number 3. The name of this watch face is called Aqua. Now, number 3, yes, I know. It looks like watch face number 2. My man gives you options so you can choose one or choose both. You're going to get the same design, same look, same info, same look in the AOD mode, but you just have options in colors. All right, you all, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.